This is an Amazon Echo. 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 This is also a new Echo from Amazon. The plug-in smart speaker and Alexa. It's a plug. And the speaker. Cool, let's check it out. Okay, so this is the new Echo Flex plug-in smart speaker with Alexa. So theoretically, you should be able to just plug it into a UK plug socket, or American, depending on where you bought it. It's a UK plug socket. Connect to the internet. That's the speaker. There's a USB socket in the bottom for extensions that you can plug into it, like lights. And that's it. So we'll set it up and see how easy it is and what it sounds like. Okay guys, so here I have it plugged in. It's quite big, but you know, it's a speaker as well, so I haven't set it up. Let's see what happens. Let's switch it on. Actually, the device is actually hidden part of the switch here, so turn it on. There's a light. Now this is a bit like the new Echo Dot with the clock, that because I ordered this it might already be associated with my account and might automatically set itself up. I'm not sure. So let's see what happens. I'm guessing these are microphones. Oh, here we go.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden.
I'm just going to give it a minute because the last time this happened with my new Echo Dot, it just set itself up at the end.
Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Okay, so it looks like I will have to go into the Alexa app. I'm going to stop the video here and I'll do some setup in the Alexa app and let you know what I did. Okay guys, so I had to go into app there, the Alexa app, added device, selected the Echo Flex. The software found the device, I clicked on it, I then selected my Wi-Fi and then it was connected. So this should work. I haven't tried this yet. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 1:27 p.m.
Okay, hold on, I've got another Echo device in this room, so just try again. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:28 p.m.
Okay, cool. The sound is okay. I mean, it's coming out of a plug socket. Alexa, play BBC Radio 2.
Here's Radio 2. BBC Sounds.
Of funding cuts, or the fact that we're living longer, which is great, but it's
Alexa,
got all kinds.
Stop. Alexa, play Ed Sheeran music.
Shuffling songs by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what can you do?
There is a lot I can do. You can ask me things like, tell me a story, play music for bedtime, or play nature sounds. Do you want to hear more?
No.
Okay.
Alexa, drum roll please.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so that's pretty cool. The device is hooked up. I'm going to press this button, which I think is to mute the microphone. Yeah, and you can see red lights come on. This one's to prompt it directly if it doesn't hear you. Alexa, how are you?
I'm feeling pretty accomplished. I've been practicing my magic spells. You should try out some spells too. Just say, Alexa, Wingardium Leviosa.
Okay, so Alexa's got a lot of cool features built in. This device can take some additional sort of appendices plugged into the bottom, into the USB slot. I also wonder if it can charge your phone. It might be able to. I need to investigate that. But basically, you know, you've got your standard Amazon Echo device, all the Alexa functionality, but you don't have the trailing lead. It's just plugged into your wall. So if you're not fussed about seeing the time using the new Echo Dot with clock or the Echo Show, this is a pretty good alternative. I think I'm probably going to put this in my garage where I've got a small gym set up, and then I can play music, and yeah, it just plugs into socket in the garage without messing up a slightly more expensive device. This was $24.99, which I think is a great value. When I bought my Echo Dot with clock, I bought it before it came out, and it's since decreased in price, so it'll be interesting to see how much this retails for when it's the Black Friday and in the subsequent months. But this is a great little bit of kit. And the one thing that I do like for this is you can get a USB light that plugs into the bottom here, and I guess you could probably use that as a night light, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get one of them and record a video on it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So just in closing, I really like this device, and I did find out you can actually charge your mobile phone using a USB charger from the bottom while it's on. Ultimately, I think this will replace the standard Echo Dots. It just plugs in. I'm sure over time the speaker will get better, the size will get smaller, so I think actually this is first gen of some really powerful new technology we're seeing here. So yeah, recommended. And as before, if you can subscribe, like the video, that'd be great. Thanks.